Hello from Slovenia again. I will do another dip with my mixture for kind of blooms. It's different mixture than I normally use, so that's why I'm expecting a little different results. My skin from my previous video that I did with this technique is still drying, so when it will dry completely, I will show you how I will turn it into the painting. So, but it has to be dry completely that I can do this. So this is my house paint. I will write down all products and mixtures that I use in the description box of this video, so you can check them there, that I will not talk about everything, that maybe you can just read in the description box. I will just pop some of these air bubbles real quick. And I will, of course, list all my... Just a second. I just think that my light is not okay again. I just see some, I don't know what. Is this focused? Let's see. This is iridescent, Pebeo iridescent. Green, blue, blue, green, blue, green, no, green, blue. And this is Palete pigments, brilliant yellow. And I have majestic blue, I think, and I will go with this blue, like this maybe. And I will add some white cell activator here too. And this is permanent blue violet. No, permanent red violet from Amsterdam. And let's put some black cell activator on top of these two. Okay. Let's see what will happen here. Just pressing down my canvas to make sure that everywhere will touch the paint. And Let's lift this. Maybe a little too much black. I hope that you can see the cells developing. Just a second, I have to turn this light off because you have a glare. See? And I will torch it a little bit. Because I have a lot of air bubbles. Maybe I added too much black, but this is what it's left on the surface. And again, I think that this is more beautiful than my canvas is, but still some nice. Maybe I should have added more paint, more colors, I have to say. You see? And less black, probably. I'm so tempted to dip it again that I will just show you the first dip now, when all these effects come through. And I think that it's pretty nice, even if I thought at first that I want to redip it, but I will just leave it like it is because it's really beautiful. See all those cells and lacing. These whispery edges. I really like it. So I still have some paint to play with, and I will definitely try to dip some coasters. This is the second one that I dipped. As you can see, I add more colors this time, and I think that I like it more. So tell me what you think about this, and see you on the next one. Bye.